but I mainly just stick to my own listings and do it that way. I mean, sometimes if another agent needs some help, I'll help them. I mean, money is money. I'm gonna.
Oh well, yeah, no, trust me, I understand that.
You can.
So how'd you get into real estate?
Oh, man, I really don't even remember why I got into real estate. I got out of the Army in 2010, and then I went straight to college, and I just knew I wanted to kind of work for myself, and I got into the business and the marketing side of it. So I got the marketing degree, and then I don't know, somewhere along the line I was just like, hey, real estate might be a cool aspect to get into it, because you got a lot of freedom there, and it's all about, doing it yourself, and, you just don't work for the man, you do your own thing, and that's what I really like about it.
Are you from DeSoto County?
I am, yes.
So originally, does that help being from that area doing the real estate?
I mean, sometimes it does. I mean, I know the area really good, but I mean, yeah, I guess you could say it helps,
Well,
you got out-of-state people that might want to know about the area, but
yeah. Well, I guess what I was, and this is because I'm not I don't do real estate yet. But I'm curious about the market. As an attorney, one thing that's helped in this area, at least, I think, and this could just be my perception, is I was born and raised here. So I think to some degree, local people anyway. Now, sometimes it hurts you too. I've had a lot of people I know that because I was from here, or even because I was law enforcement, which you would think would be an asset, they view it as, oh, I'm in bed with them still, like I'm still working with them. I
know some agents that used to be cops, and I mean, they actually, they have a pretty large database. I mean, they do really good.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I just meant you're from there, people know you, and maybe that helps.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, absolutely.
So what do you do for leads mostly?
Well, that's a secret, Jerry. I can't tell you all that.
Well, I mean,
but no,
I try to do it for my own benefit.
It's a dog-eat-dog world out there. But no, like a lot of my stuff, I'll do memes on Facebook. You want to go out there, try to pass out at least 5-10 business cards a day. Just be friendly with people, and whenever you meet someone, pass them your card, tell them what you're into, and just kind of work it at that angle.
Do you do community stuff?
Well, yeah, I mean, we got to the DeSoto County Ghostbusters, so that definitely helps with the community. I made some DeSoto County Ghostbusters / real estate cards, like, so if we're at an event, I might pass them a card. It's got Bill Murray on it, like, don't get slimed in real estate, use David Hailey, so.
Have you sold any homes that were haunted?
I'm not at liberty to say.
Okay, well, let's rephrase that. Have you had any experience in homes that you felt were haunted?
I'll tell you what, we had 2 of them. One of them is locally known to be haunted, but they did sell it recently, so I'm not going to say the address on it. But it's in Hernando, and all the realtors think that it's haunted. And I've been in it personally whenever it was vacant. It's like an old Victorian-style house, and it's got kind of a creepy vibe to it, if there was a suicide there. But no, a lot of people say that one's haunted. I remember one agent. There's a lot of agents that's been in that house because it's rented out all the time. And anyway, one agent, she went in and she said that, it felt weird in there, and then like a cat popped out of the vent and like chased them out. I don't know, it's a weird story. I had another agent that went in there, and she had a pasture with them, and she didn't tell him anything about the house. But, as soon as he walked in, he started feeling nauseous and getting too hot, and he's like, something's wrong with this house, I gotta leave. And then it's funny, I was talking to one of the other Ghostbusters who used to be, or he still is a cop, I guess, but Bigham told me a story about that house. It's always rented out, and he said there's been like 3 or 5 reports of when the house was rented, people would do police reports about somebody attacking them at night, and they'd have like scratches on them, and so these people would move out, and then another family would move in, and they would call the police and pretty much say the same thing. So I thought that was kind of weird, like, is there something really going on in there? I don't know, but.
There was a case when I was in law school that they do still in law school because it was funny, where a judge wrote a decision, and the crux of the case was that the previous owners of a home didn't disclose that this house was supposed to be haunted. And so then there was litigation over it, over whether or not that should have been disclosed.
Yeah, and in different states, they actually do have different laws about that. But in Mississippi, no, we don't have to disclaim or say
Yeah.
that it's haunted.
Well, this judge, though, what was interesting about this case, besides those facts, is the judge's opinion was funny. He did plays on words of spooks and haunted and ghosts and all ghouls and all this, like in his opinion.
Yeah.
So they use it in law school all the time to teach because he was really trying to be funny with the subject matter. But I
Right.
suppose I'd be a little unnerved if there's a history of some stuff going on and you don't know about it.